Hi friends, today you will learn how to make 3D designer mask for festival season. First we'll take farma paper and mark length 10 inch and width 8 inch. Mark it with chalk and cut it. And at the corner you have to take the measurement of 2 inch as shown in this. Mark it 2 inch from both the side. And you have to cut it this triangles. Now you put down half inch and mark the curve upper side of mask so that it shape it properly nicely. You can see it after completion of this mask. This nice shape is come upper side, and at down you have to take 1 inch this mark is done to open this area to remove the fabric outside. Now from lengthwise you have to fold as per shown. From both the side you have to mark it properly so that it will be mark it on farma. Done. Your farma is ready now. You have to place it on the fabric. Now we have taken one fabric chanderi with foil print and 2 fabric cotton. So this is 3 layer mask. Mark it properly as per the farma on both all 3 fabric and cut it as per the farma shape. And below side you have to mark it so that portion you have to keep open when you stitch from all 3 sides. Cut it as per the shape, curve, cut the curve nicely so that in final you can see the proper shape. Now your cutting is done nicely. Now cutting has been done, and from this point you have to mark half inch down from both the side to attach lace over this mask. As we are making designer mask for festival, it will definitely add beauty in your mask. This marquise has been done. Now we'll place this lace this way. Now take two fabric together, designer fabric and one cotton fabric, and place this lace over it and stitch it straight on that mark line. Same way, stitch it on next side. Now place this correct side inside and keep all three fabric together and start stitching from all three sides. Leave the mark area and stitch curve properly. Take the proper point. Yes, your stitching has been done. Mark area is open so that we can take out the fabric from it. Cut the extra fabric of margin so that it can easily remove outside. Now take out from all fabric from this gap. Yes, now you can see from open part we have take out the fabric. Now we'll stitch and close the open part, and from four side we will stitch at the edge. It was close. All side we are stitching at the edge of mask. Stitch point properly. It's done. Now you have to iron it so that it will look nice, and you can easily fold it from side. You have to take 5-inch elastic and place it as it's shown to both the side. In fold, you have to attach it and stitch. Both the side elastic is done. Now check it properly. Remove the extra threads. Now you fold it properly these points and stitch straight. Mark it and stitch straight. From both the sides, do it same way. Now your mask is ready. Your mask is looking nice. You see the inside how it look. This portion will save you, and also it look nice because its shape is little bit different. Now see how nicely it look on mannequin. Your designer 3D mask with 3 layers is ready. You can wear it for festivals and very easily you can make it. Now you can see there is no fork on glasses. So if you like this mask, share it, like it and subscribe it if you are new on this channel, so that you will get the new ideas of making masks and construct the garments. Thank you.